Oh, I liked that part.
Oh, I'm actually obsessed
love
with this song and the lyrics. Oh, the vibe. I'm obsessed.
Yeah.
바로 어제 3월 21일 BTS 제이홉의 디지털 싱글 모나리자 노래와 뮤비가 공개되었습니다. 발매 직후 미국 아이튠즈 차트에서 1위를 차지하며 글로벌 팬들의 뜨거운 반응을 얻고 있습니다. 그의 신곡에 대한 뜨거운 해외 팬들의 반응 같이 보시죠.
Whoa.
Makes sense to have like an art theme. All right.
Oh. Oh.
First of all, sorry, I actually have to say something. I really love his. I am such a sucker for J-Hope and his shoes, but like these shoes.
Yeah. Yeah.
I really like his shoes. Okay.
Honestly, the whole outfit is kind of eating.
Okay.
The pants. Right into the dancing. Oh.
Okay, first of all, we got a dance song going on here? We got a dance song? we got Homie doing a full-blown freaking choreographed dance routine? Man, how long has it been since we had a pure 100% J-Hope dance song? Is that what we're getting right now? One of the best dancers on the entire planet? I'm excited.
Shit, hold on. Hold on, wait a minute, hold on. Hold on, go back. The leg. Oh, this choreo crazy.
Okay.
Louis mentioned.
Oh, I liked that part.
Oh, I'm actually obsessed with this song and the lyrics. Oh, the vibe. I'm obsessed.
Yeah.
You got me all in. Bad, 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 I know your ex is calling. The way you look, I understand the hype. You know you're just my type. Got it,
This is fucking fire,
you
guys.
know just what I like. I like
Yo, what? Jeez, bruh. I didn't expect that. For one, I like these shots a lot because it's just shot in one place, which I love. Giving it a more like a minimalistic approach, which creates more space. So it's just awesome. I like the visuals a lot. And then the song is great itself, man. The bass is fucking knocking. Give me like a little bit of Tommy Richman vibes, which I love. This shit's great. This shit is great.
You got me all in. Bad, bad, bad.
J-Hope. J-Hope. Wow. Wow. Sexy Hobie. Hobie 2.0. Is this what we're getting? Is this what we're getting? Hobie 2.0? Hey. I'm getting a little more sexy vibe, Hobie. A little more seduction vibe, Hobie. With the swag and the gold teeth.
The diamond met your smile, yeah, she's sparkling, yeah. You got me all
Ooh.
in. Bad, 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 I know your ex is
Oh, I
calling.
love that bad part.
I really like the lyrics of the song. I love the like his choreo to it. I'm obsessed
The
with
lyrics
it.
are so like down bad.
Yeah.
I love it. I love it.
Bad, 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 I know your ex is calling. It's the frame, Mona Lisa, yeah, I need you. I like my girls, looking.
I gotta go back. These transitions are fire.
It's the frame, Mona Lisa, yeah, I need you. I like
Fire.
my girls, looking just like I need you. I like my girls, looking just like a painting.
That's the best bit. That's the best bit.
It's so fine. get me
So fire.
Who am I watching right now? J-Hope? Is that you?
This is the first time I'm watching visuals from J-Hope. I do listen to some of his songs, but I've never actually gone to see any of his visuals. That was a really... there was so much flavor in that music video, like just the dance moves, just the lyrics even. He was flirtatious. You know, 1+9. Dun, dun, dun. This is a bop. If she's the Mona Lisa, then J-Hope is the masterpiece because he comes with the whole package. You got the fashion down, the music down, the dance moves down.
Hobie. What is he doing to us at the moment, man? What is he doing to us? I keep like comparing his most recent stuff to freaking his stuff before he was like he enlisted, and there is such a tone shift. It is mind blowing.
I like the energy of it. I think it's really fun, but I really like the lyrics. I think they're relatable. And I think they're fun, and I think they're great, and I'm obsessed with it.
Yeah, I also really, 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 really like this. Also, I'm very fond of the fact that he danced the whole time. That's so J-Hope, and it was really fun to be able to see him dance for like that whole time interrupted.
Dance, yeah.
I know.
Absolutely obsessed. I love that.
I love that too.
Great release. 10 out of 10.